All right, I usually start with a name. I like Sarah, so I'm gonna do Sarah. There you go, I got Sarah, and then I just go ahead and do my yellow. And just like before, I'm gonna draw two solid yellow lines. I'm gonna fill it in from here. But I wanna make it solid yellow. I'm rocking my trigger back and forth, on, off, on, off, on, off. Do the same thing with my yellow. Sorry, my pink. And then I start to do the wiggle, and as I do that, I get closer to the shirt to make that tight line. And then I'm going to bring in a little bit of fade here into the yellow. That makes our third color of orange. Put a couple of lines in there for texture. And then I use blue. Same idea. Gets close to get the tight line at the end. Saturate it, make sure there's no white until maybe about here where you can start to see the line. Create the fade to make green. Add a couple lines for texture. There you go, so you got that. Lastly, drop shadow, always in purple. I think purple just ends up looking a lot neater. Doesn't have that dirty look to it. So that's number 7.